My name is Chad, and I'm from New York City. About a year ago, I was looking around for a different practice, something beyond just asana and hatha. And I wanted to do a 300-hour training in some form of yoga that I wasn't even aware of, was kind of my intention. And I just kind of followed my intuition, and I ended up doing a training with a teacher from California, and it was a mantra training here. And just being here, at Sattva, at the retreat center, and experiencing the energy here, I was already hooked, you know. And then Anand came and he spoke to our class, and I could see that he was sharing a very deep wisdom and a very deep practice that was exactly what I was looking for. And once I learned more about it and started to practice the yoga that Sattva teaches here, I understood for the first time, probably after all those years, what yoga actually is. And I'm just so grateful to have found this deeply integrative and holistic practice that we teach here, which combines all the elements of yoga, all the limbs of yoga. We do asana, pranayama, kriya, and other forms, meditation, of course, and other forms of the practice that are together deeply transformative and the most powerful experience I've had in my whole life. I think if you're looking to deepen your practice, if you're looking to go deeper within yourself, if you're looking to really remember who you are, I would highly recommend coming to Sattva. It's the practices are very effective, and the practices are very beautiful, and like I said, deeply transformative. But also, the community here is the most loving and heart-centered and wise and down-to-earth and authentic community I've ever encountered in my life. So, with the practices and with the community here, you really have to come to Sattva, I think.